Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are hanging out at my parents' farm. We're just camping right outside. We are at the Haunted Barn for 2022. We wanted some breakfast, so we are going to be making some super cool waffles, Halloween-inspired waffles using these 3 waffle makers. Let's get started. So we've got everything laid out. We're going to be doing a pumpkin monster cookie flavor in our pumpkin waffle maker. We're doing a coconut white chocolate berry flavor in our spiderweb waffle maker, and we're going to be doing a chocolate cinnamon roll flavor in our skull waffle maker. So the first thing me and Zena are going to do is we're just going to measure out the main mix in each bowl. Now for each one, we're going to start out with 2 cups of this baking mix. This pancake mix is very thick, so it's hard to measure out. Now into each bowl, we're adding 2 medium eggs. Now into each bowl, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or 1/8 of a cup. Now we're just gonna give each one an initial stir. We're gonna start by mixing up the flavor I am most excited about. The next ingredient we need to put in is our milk. I'm gonna put in 1 1/3 cup of extra creamy oat milk. I might have to get a bigger bowl, hopefully not. Now into that, I'm gonna mix in some canned pumpkin. 1/3 of a cup of canned pumpkin, 1/2 of a cup of old-fashioned oats, 1/4 of a cup of mini M&ms, butterscotch chips, and chopped English walnuts. That looks like it's thoroughly mixed up. Let's move on to the next batter. Now we're gonna work on the white chocolate coconut berry. We're gonna do 1 1/3 cup of toasted coconut almond milk. That's 1/2 of a cup of white chocolate chips, 1/2 of a cup of sweetened shredded coconut. Next, we're gonna do 3 ounces of raspberries and 3 ounces of blackberries and kind of smush them. Now we're gonna work on chocolate cinnamon roll. This is getting 1 1/3 cup chocolate almond milk. There's one of Zena's cousins meowing. Now we're gonna go in with some dark chocolate morsels. 1 cup of dark chocolate morsels. And now we have a tube of cinnamon rolls. This is a 7.3 ounce tube. We diced up that entire tube. Now we're gonna do 1/4 of a cup of white chocolate chips and 1/4 of a cup of mini M&ms. And we're gonna take this icing packet, quadruple chocolate cinnamon roll, pumpkin monster cookie, white chocolate coconut berry bash. Next, I'm gonna cover up each of the batters with plastic wrap, put it in the fridge, clean all this shebang dang up, and then get ready to make some waffles. Well, overall, all of the waffles were super delicious, but we really loved the spiderweb ones with the white chocolate chips and the berries in them. Super, super, super delicious. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.